Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update regarding the Sandbox. The ticker symbol is SAND. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below and I'll definitely analyze that for you. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart. And as you guys remember, yesterday we were watching this resistance level at around $5.20 level, and we saw a nice rejection, brief rejection from that level. As you can see, a 5% drop from that level, and right now the price is coiling up here. Let me go to the 1-hour chart to see it more clearly. The price is coiling up here and the Bitcoin is also showing some strength. It looks like that the Sandbox is going to hit the high of the box at around $5.70 level, which would give you a nice 10% gains. It's still early to say, but it looks like it is making a higher highs and lower highs on the 1-hour chart like this after we break out from this falling channel. But we need to first break this high at around $5.22 level. Then I would initiate a long position here and will target like this at around $5.50 level, which would give you a nice 5% gains in the short term. Because if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are still in a resistance level, as you can see at this box. So be very careful guys. That's why I'm taking small profits rather than aiming for higher targets. I would need to see first Sandbox price closes above this $5.70 level and trade above it for 2-3 days. Then we will be sure that the trend has shifted on the 4-hour and daily chart. Then we can aim for higher targets. Let's briefly analyze Bitcoin for the perspective here. On the 1-hour chart of the Bitcoin, price is making higher highs and higher lows, and it looks like $44,000 level is not holding the resistance and seems like it is breaking out here. So the next target of resistance, as discussed in an earlier video, would be at the daily 45.6k level, which is also a nice support resistance area, as you can see, and also this channel breakout level. So having that in mind, let's go to the Sandbox again, and we might see a breakout here in the short term, and I'll target this 5.50 level. And till then Bitcoin would have gone to around 45 and 46k level. Then we might see a roll off in the price. So that's the immediate short term. If I find any update in this, then I'll let you know. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel. By the way, if you guys want to take a long position here on the BYBIT account, you can do that with the leverage, where you can also claim up to $4,500 bonuses if you sign up through my link. So you can find the link in the description. So sign up through my link, deposit money there, and start to trade and claim your $4,500 bonuses. Alright. I hope you guys like this quick video analysis on the Sandbox. Please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.